We are at P2P and the Myrtle Beach Convention Center, Pathways to Possibilities. Our 8th graders are here to explore different career paths and different work jobs that they are excited to do. So basically a career day.
You don't think about all the different jobs out there, especially as a kid, and this is kind of that initial spark to get them going before they get to high school.
It's really nice that kids can actually come and do hands-on and actually learn the experience and a pathway that they decide to take.
Opportunities like this are huge for my students because it benefits them in so many ways. It gets conversations started. It allows them to start to research different areas of different paths and careers. This helps with IGPs, or individual graduation plans, that our students meet with their counselors and teachers every year. It gives them an opportunity to state what their interests are, where they hope to be when they graduate, the next steps after high school. And this event really helps to open their eyes to not only the different careers, but the career clusters and all that could potentially happen within that career cluster.
I definitely think that this is a definite way for students to get out to see what jobs are offered and what their interests are, and maybe see if they want to stick around in the community even after they graduate, or if they don't want to go to college, if there's other things that they want to do.
I feel like this gives us a good insight to what jobs still needs to be hands-on, specifically healthcare, teaching. While AI is beneficial, there's so much that requires hands-on and that AI just cannot replace.
With being at the Pathways to Possibilities event, I feel like it's really hard to kind of explain what's going on if you haven't been here, but it is really amazing how big it really is, all the different activities for students to do and things like that.
Everything P2P is doing, which is sponsored by the Francis P. Bunnelle Foundation, everything is great. Continue to get more people to come out and be volunteers, more kids to come out and just learn more about what P2P is all about. I would like to say thank you to the Bunnelle Foundation for putting this on, and happy 25th anniversary. You are doing something special. Keep up the good work. Keep influencing. Keep giving out the information. You're making America great. Thank you.